So I don't know whether you have come across something like this before, where the question asks you to find the equation of the cycle. So let's see how the problem is being solved. So in order to solve this problem, just like the way we normally solve our problem, remember x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. So we are using this one here. So here now, where the final value of x in this place is what? Is minus 1. Return it back, you have x plus 1 in the bracket there. So the final value of y in that place equals to 0. If you return that into bracket, that is y plus what? Plus 0. Okay, hope you are following. So the next thing we are going to do now is we express it in form of this, such as this for this. So we are going to have x plus 1, then we are going to have square plus, where we are going to have y plus 0, we are going to have square there. Okay, so as far as this is concerned, what are you going to have? X plus 1 into bracket x plus 1, okay, plus this one that we are seeing in this place at the end of the day, because of the 0 that is there, well, there's not much to do with it, but you can still express it as well. This one will now give you y plus 0, then another y plus 0. For the benefit of doubt, then we have c all equals to 0. Solve this. This will give you x squared. This will give you plus what? If you use this to multiply this, it will give you this. Now this for this, we are going to have plus x in that place, another plus x there, then that will give you plus what? Plus 1. If you use this for this, you are going to have y squared, okay? If you use this for this, y times 0 will give you what? Will give you 0. So at the end of the day, what are you going to have? y times y will give you y squared. Y times 0 will give you 0. 0 times y will give you 0. So 0 times 0 will still give you 0. So plus c equals to 0. So the next thing now is x squared. This one will give you 2x plus what? Plus 1. Followed by plus what? Plus y squared plus c equals to what? Equals to 0. So the expression that you are seeing in this place, you arrange it in order. So y squared plus what? X squared plus y squared plus 2x plus 1 plus c equals to what? Equals to 0. Not over yet. In order to get the value of c, what are we going to do? Using our g squared plus what? F squared minus r squared equals to what? Equals to c. The value of r from the equation is given to be what? To be 2. Now our g is what? Our g is minus 1. So minus 1, okay, plus our f is what? Is 0, as you can see. Minus our r in that place is given to be what? To be 2 squared equals to c. So solving this problem now, this will now be square. This will now be square. So minus 1 times minus 1 will give you 1. So that will be 1 plus 0 followed by 2 times 2 will give you 4. This one will give you 4 here equals to c. If you do the arithmetic of this one, this will give you 1 minus 4 equals to c. So at the end of the day, you are going to have minus 3 equals to c. So this stands in the position of what? Minus 3. So rewrite this equation that you have here. Rewrite this equation. What are we going to have? We are going to have s squared plus what? Plus y squared followed by plus what? Plus 2x plus what? The total value of c in this place now is now what? Minus 3. So that will now give you minus 3 equals to what? Equals to 0. That is the equation that the question asks you to look for. So that is how to solve the problem there. Thank you.